So now we got the clutch installed, the fans installed. We're actually ready to slide the engine into the airframe. Obviously my airframe's already built, so I'm just gonna finagle it in there. And we got my RPM sensor for my Spartan, and we'll go from there. And as you can tell, there's decent room for everything. So I'm gonna gently. Oh, we're hanging up on my fuel line there. Alright, gotta wiggle it just a little bit. Working that one way down. And the clutch is in there. It's spinning free. Alright, and cool. And I have screwed up. I forgot to put the horseshoe on. Alright, so if you can't tell, this is my very first turbine build as well. So also, if you see something I don't do right, please let me know. I'm simply following the manual, and I can tell you one thing. I was about to screw up again too. These motor mounts, motor supports. These top ones, you want to put them on before you get them in the frame. It'll be, you probably tighten them down, but you need the engine setting where it's going to be, and I don't think you'll be able to actually put these on with it in the frame. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put a dab of Loctite on here, and I'm not gonna tighten it down, but I'm just gonna put it there. Now the bottom ones, you will be able to do. So you can still adjust them. That one I got just a touch tight, so there we go. That one slides freely. Alright, now we can go back in with her. Alright. We cleared our fuel line. And it's set down. Alright. And my horseshoe was crooked. Imagine that. Alright. So. Alright, clutch set down. And I may have to go get the fan shroud to remember which one of those two holes support that. But you also have to adjust you have to loosen off your main motor mounts, and you can adjust the engine in there ever so slightly to get the clutch free, and I mean, you just gotta kind of fit it in there, you know. So anyway, I will come back as soon as I'm gonna install these 4 motor bolts.